Hello there, I'm Catherine from my hillside garden in northeast Pennsylvania, Zone 6. Today I usually like to do my planting on Tuesdays. It just works into my schedule very well. But this morning someone was in the yard and began to bark. Now Wyatt is not a barker by any means, so when he barks it means there's something wrong. And when I finally got him to come into the house, he didn't want me to be near him. And after about 10 seconds, I realized why. So I've spent a portion of my day washing skunk off of Wyatt, washing towels, and trying to keep him contained until he was dry. He didn't get hurt, he's fine. And the product that I used was called Nature Made Skunk Odor Remover. I highly recommended it. We used it once before about 11 years ago, so I did have a bottle in the house, and I used that, but then I went and got a fresh bottle. Worked much better. So what I wanted to show you today, since I'm not going to be putting any seeds in, I was bad and ordered more seeds. Plus I bought some at the grocery store, and I got some at the local Agway. So I thought I'd share those with you today. So I got 2 more kinds of alyssum to use in the garden this year. I wanted something that would be low and compact, especially for at the community garden. Since the germination on my Walla Wallas wasn't that good, I got a fresh pack. I thought perhaps that might have been the problem. I saw these great Yellowstone carrots and I thought, they look interesting. We could plant them. Then at the grocery store of all places, I found these watermelon radishes. I had heard someone talk about these and I figured, might as well give those a try too. Got some little finger carrots as well. Can never have enough carrot seeds. And then I'm excited because in the community garden I'm going to have space to do some different squashes, winter squashes. So because I want smaller ones, we're going to do baby blue Hubbard squash. Never done this one before. We have Thelma Sanders sweet potato squash. So it's not a sweet potato. It does look like an acorn squash, and I did have something like this from a local grower, farmer's market that we went to. I'm going to also give spaghetti squash a try. We've never grown this, and I wanted to give that a try. Then here's another one, and it says it's very hard to find, called moringa squash. It looked very interesting. It says that it's a pink pumpkin from Brazil, and they usually weigh about 4 to 8 pounds. So I thought I'd give that a try. That's a nice size squash. And then the last thing that I wanted to do was Jimmy Nardello peppers this year, because I've heard so many people mention them, that they're a really nice pepper. So I couldn't resist. So that's my grow room update for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment if you've grown any of those things. If you have any tips for me, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Happy gardening.